Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going to see what charging opportunities are available in the town of Saratoga, Wyoming. It's been here a while. It's a little town close to where I live. So we're going to drive around. There is one shown here on PlugShare. But before we get there, I'm going to take you around the backside here. And I'm going to take you down Main Street. It's one of these towns that have been here a long time, and it's right in the middle of a storm, but I think we can pull this off. So we're on one of the back roads here. And we're going to turn down Main Street here. That'll take us down in the older part of town. All right, so this is Main Street, Saratoga, Wyoming. And yeah, the wind blows here all the time. This is Highway 130 or Highway 30, depending upon which way you go. Continuing down Main Street here. There you go. That's downtown Saratoga. We're going to pull up over here and have a look on PlugShare and see if we can locate the public charger. I think it's a public charger. At least it's listed on PlugShare. So let's have a look here now. You can see where we're located, right at the end of Main Street here. All right, we're going to go up to this next block and turn right. If you're not familiar with the application PlugShare, it's very handy. Keeps pretty good track of most charging opportunities in all of the towns and things around. They do a very nice job. If you haven't downloaded the PlugShare app, you probably should. A bunch of good people there. All right, we're coming up to this street here, and I have a stop sign that you can't see. And I think we'll switch over to the camera view here now. We've got 2 more blocks to go. All right, this is the first block. And we're coming up on the second block here now. The charger is located at the Copper Line Inn, which is right here to my left. I've never been here before, but I understand the charger's right in here someplace. This is the place. Copper Line Inn Lodge. All right, let's see if we can locate it. And there it is. Let's pull up here and eyeball it here. Looks like a very nice little place to stay here in Saratoga. Here's the front of it. Looks like a great place to stay. And over here on the left side appears to be where the wall connector is. I believe PlugShare says it's a J1772, and it sure looks that way. I'm assuming it's for patrons. And it appears to be a juice box, very common, probably 30 amps at 240. It's available here. Plug your J1772 in. This is at the Copper Line Lodge. Just heading south here on Highway 130 through the town of Saratoga. We went perpendicular here on Main Street. One of the things I did want to show you, however, is this hotel. It's called the Wolf. It's actually an active hotel. It was very active in the 1800s. Also a very good restaurant too. So if you come to Saratoga, you might either want to visit it or perhaps even stay there. Well, that's about it. Of course, you could stay at the Sage and Sand Motel. That's also been there quite a while. I'm not sure the status of it, however. If you liked today's video, go ahead and click the like, and please subscribe. You know I'd certainly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.